So, as you can see, I do have my fire extinguisher. All apartments should have one. If they don't, get one. It's actually required. Got my sticks laid out, ready to go. Got my torch set. Everything's ready. I have my pliers. Pliers are put in position. I got wet rags here and another wet rag on my actual orifice. You wanna protect that as much as you can. I put one here just to keep my arm reflection, from overheating. This ain't gonna come out. Nothing's gonna move while I'm doing my work. Take your cap off your equalizer port. If there's oil trapped in here, you would have already known about it whenever you open the system up. I do not believe we have any oil right here, but if you did have oil, it would burn off right here. It sucks when you have oil you have to go into, get nitrogen involved, blow it all out. It's a mess. So, not sure if you can see it, but I'm gonna try and let y'all see what I'm doing. Try not to get in the way. Because we're inside, I'm supposed to do this, but because I'm inside, I'm gonna try and mix it, crack my oxygen and my acetylene just a bit so I don't have a bunch of soot flying everywhere. See how it's successful. So see, there you go. Remember, be mindful of what's behind. I have my mirror up here. It's gonna stay there until I need it. I like to focus on my big line first, just because that's gonna be the one that's gonna kick your butt the most. I don't know if you can see. You might not be able to from that angle. Maybe if I move it, watch your flame. Let's see. Maybe that angle. Maybe that'll help. Let me see. I'm watching the flame. Okay. I like to put a little bend in my wire, or my solder. Now, I'm not going to be using a lot of heat because I am inside. I have to be careful of the wood that's around me. Just 30 years of dust everywhere. Shouldn't be dust, but you just kind of want to use as much caution as you can. We do make mistakes, but at least if the mistake happens, I can say that I did everything in my power to prevent it. Try to be quick, as quick as you can. I wouldn't recommend letting your first solder experience be above your head. Learn out in the field, learn somewhere else. Don't let it be inside to learn how to solder. Walk your solder around using your heat. Make it look nice and pretty. Don't gorilla weld it. Don't make it look all gummed up. You're mainly concerned with even flow all the way around it. Let that cool down. All right, now I'm gonna do my other side. This one ain't gonna take no time at all to do. It's a small line. Your liquid lines are always the easier ones to solder. Now, because I have that towel on it, you gotta sit there and stay consistent with your heat, because if not, it's gonna cool down. All right, kill it. Inspect. detector going off. That's a good thing, it works. It's good. It'll stop in a minute. Just like my light does. So I do have even flow all the way around. No pits. Nothing that would bring attention that I need to put more heat back on it. Let it cool down. Could turn that off. But that's it. Unit is installed. Don't be that guy who takes and they'll come over here and they'll see, can I turn my light on? Nope. Don't be the one to come over here and put a wet towel right here. You don't want to do that. You put a wet towel on it, you risk cracking it and stuff like that. It's dark. Oh, there we go. Okay. So soldered up nice and pretty. Then I'll go pressure test it. I like to use soap bubbles. Dawn soap, Dawn dish with liquid works well in a little container. I've always had good luck with that instead of spending a bunch of money on leak detector. That works well. I'll pressure it up to about maybe about 75 to 100 psi. And I'll spray it, let it hold for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'll put a vacuum on it. And then I'll come back in and I'll start putting it back together, all my flex and everything, putting my drain pipe here to here, and start reassemble for testing.